What is up, my YouTube fam? We are back again with yet another video. First thing first, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying clean, and taking all the necessary precautions that you need to during these rather unpleasant times. I think we're gonna go on. So today, I think we're gonna go on a cruise with my good friend Darius and his 350Z that you guys will see. He recently repainted it and it looks really good. He should be over here pretty soon. I think this video is gonna be a pretty much needed video on my channel because I've always wanted to do a point of view video, but I just never thought I had the right setup for it until I got this bad boy right here, which is the DJI Osmo Action, which is their take on the GoPro. And I've heard pretty good things about it actually, which is one of the reasons why I actually did get it. Some may say they actually prefer it over the GoPro, which I have been looking at getting the GoPro for a little minute, but it just nothing really pushed me over the edge to get one until DJI released theirs sometime last year. And then I recently came across this deal on Amazon and I could not pass it up. And actually when I got to it, it was only one left. So I hurried up and bought it, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below because I think they added some more in there, and at that price, you can't pass it up. Initially, I thought I was just gonna have to hold the camera, but my mouthpiece and the screen protectors came in this morning. So I was like, look at God, won't he do it? This piece right here comes with the mouth guard. And a good thing about the DJI is they use a lot of the GoPro stuff, so I think that was really smart on them as a business move to just use GoPro's accessory that's already built in and stuff. Like you can use existing mounts and stuff like that that's made for the GoPro because it's pretty much the same size. And they use the same mounting system, which this is it right here. It goes in like this. And just hold the camera like this. Which I'll leave a link to this in the description below too. I've been thinking this actually could be my go-to camera to do for vlogging and stuff because it's a lot smaller and it weighs a lot less. Another reason why I went with the DJI is because it has the front-facing screen on there, so that way you would know what's always in the frame. GoPro does not. I think actually on their Hero 8, I believe that just came out, they made an accessory where you can get the LCD screen or whatever kind of screen it is on the top, but you have to buy that, and I think that's an additional $50 or something like that, and then you have to buy the mount for that too. So it's just like, do I really want to spend that? So I'm gonna switch to it in 3, 2, 1. Better, worse? You guys let me know in the comments down below. I think the audio may be a little bit better on my other camera, but we'll see. If not, they can be changed on this camera. But these the other day and I got these in through the mail through Amazon. I thought for $6 or whatever, I couldn't pass them up. I mean, it's the small details that really matter, but I like them, and they actually stand out pretty well on the wheels. I had already put them on because I actually already recorded this portion of the video. However, upon me trying out this camera, I said I was going to keep it in 4K 24 because I thought my computer could actually handle that, but it can't. So I have to record all of this again. So I got these to kind of match with my fog light covers up here that are yellow. However, I don't think that match well. This thing on Amazon, these they look a little bit more yellow, but after seeing them in person, it's definitely more orange, gold-ish type color. But I mean, it doesn't clash too much. I think it does all right. You can see right there on that wheel. It looks pretty good. Like, it looks really good. I'm impressed. I think it'll do the trick. I like them. For $7, they're not. I'm impressed. And I also got these too. I was scrolling, getting ready to check out. I came across these at the bottom of the website, and I was like, wait a minute, I should probably get these too, because I think they were like $8, I believe. But I got all of this: the 2 keychains, the valve stem caps, and the orange valve stem caps for under $14 shipped, I believe. $15 shipped through Amazon. Of course, I'll leave a link, but I definitely think you guys should check it out. Okay, as you guys can see, I removed the plastic dip from my grill. I was gonna re-dip it in plastic dip, but I'm getting to the point where I kind of just want this to be permanently black. I don't want the chroma on there anyway. So I was gonna do gloss black, but I don't have any other gloss black on the car. I mean, like right here, the trim is plastic dip. Back here, it is plastic dip as well. The only thing gloss black is the wheels, which I think that can stand by itself as far as it not being matte and tying into the whole thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this done. Or maybe I should let you guys vote. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the little dialogue, but I'm gonna let you guys vote up here somewhere to see gloss black or flat black.